Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on CoinMarketCap. Then what we're going to do right now is we go right in the top where you will find login. And then we select right here sign up. Then we fill in right here our email address and password. So we will do this real quick. Select right here all the calculators and then we do verify. Then right now they're telling us verify your email. We've sent an email to your email address with a link to verify your email. So we will do this real quick. Then right now we copy that 6-digit code right here to here and click then here on enter verification code. And then we do paste. And then right now we can click here on check diamonds or next step. So we do next step. And then you will see right here a little guide with how it works. Then we click here on the cross and right now we are having ourselves an account. So if you go right in the top, you see right here that we are using an own account right now. So this is how you can create your account on CoinMarketCap. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.